Hello. Hello, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Is that Deck Beauty? Yes, it's Deck Beauty. Okay, Deck Beauty. I saw your number on Facebook. Please, I have event. I want to attend event for Germany. And that place, they don't have a Gele artist. Please, Deck Beauty. I will send my ashoke to you. You help me to sew it so that I will use it that day. Oh, sorry, ma. I don't sew auto Gele again. I stopped sewing auto Gele the year 2018. Now I do the direct tying of Gele. Okay, okay, Deck Beauty. I will bring the ashoke for you. You will help me to tie it. You tie the ashoke. You go protect the ashoke with rope. Ah, ma, I don't use rope to protect ashoke. There is no how I can use rope. Okay, don't worry. Sorry, I wanted to say pin. You pin the ashoke. Pin it round. Pin. So that get it there, I will use the ashoke. Ah, ma, if I use pin, once you put it on, later, the ashoke with this style, we just, it's not going to look as original. You can't use it, and the style is going to scatter. Oh my God. Ah, oh my God, ma, you say you are my follower on my Facebook page. Why do you don't want to learn? Man, you can learn. I have different style there. I have different style that you can learn. I have the difficult one. I have the simple one. I have the 3 minutes Gele. I have the 2 minutes style. I have the Abebe. I have the Owambe. I have Rose. I have V. I have Rufus. I have every name. In fact, simple and hard Gele. Even I have the primary 1 Gele. I have the primary 2. Man, go and learn the primary 1. Primary 1, you just place it on your leg. Create the plaiting, put on for your head. It's very easy. Primary 2, you place it on your head, you create the plaiting. Even this style, why they show you so? This style. There are some style like this one, for example, this style. It's very, very easy, man. It's very easy. The only thing you need, just focus your eye. Focus your eye for my hand. If you focus your eye, you must know how to tie. You cannot be left at. This is summer season. Party here and there. Many people still they call me. They want to do their church Women's Day. Can you come and tie a tie for me? I'll say no. I don't do Sunday work. Me myself, I will go to church. Learn this thing. Learn how to tie Gele by yourself so that the day you want to use it, you will not be frustrated. If you wear 1 million cloth, your Gele is not nice. Your cloth will represent like 10 naira or 10 pound dress, because your beauty starts from the head. Please, ma, try and learn. Yes, this is my whole advice to every ladies out there, in case you are hearing the sound of my voice. I decided to be talking on top of my video because these days, as I earlier said on some of my video recently, that I will be doing voice on top of my video because to avoid copyright, because I don't know what music to use again. Any music I use, Facebook will tell me that it's copyright. So I will be using my voice, so I will be doing the talking. You do the listening and do the watching. Watch the video and concentrate. Concentrate, auntie. Auntie, concentrate. You can do it. Mommy, concentrate. Sister, concentrate. The reason you must concentrate is sometimes you want to pay. There is nobody for you to pay to. Yes, so somebody called me that, Deg, can you come to outside London? Where do you base? Deg Beauty base in London, United Kingdom. I say, yes, so madam, I go everywhere. Oh, if you can pay me. Can you come outside London? Yes, if you want to go to outside London, it's 500 pounds. She screamed and shout, hey, it's too much. I say, madam, because it's outside London. Okay, somebody call me. Can you come to outside UK? I say, yes, why not? If you can pay me, it's 1,000 pounds. Hey, Deg, the money is too much. Okay, because it's outside UK. The journey is going to take me like Everything total like 3 days journey. Okay. The other lady said, I'm not the celebrant. Oh, I said, Auntie, if you are not the celebrant, as far I'm coming outside London, outside UK, so you are paying for my time. It's not just the attire and the makeup. You are paying for my time. You are paying for the whole of the day. In fact, I will come home the next day, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. If it's outside UK, 3 days. So that is it. My people, learn. This is my YouTube channel. If you are watching me from YouTube channel, I have many videos that will help you for your face, for your own self. For your own self, life is upgrading. We have different way we learn. One-on-one training is there, but these days, no time to do one-on-one training. Learn by watching my video. You can learn how to apply makeup and apply Gele. You see this style? It's very simple. This is the final. This is the final. You can use this style for your English outfit, your native outfit. This style is the trendy one. Very easy and simple. If you have the longer length, you create, you can do it more nicer. Thank you. These are my service. My number is there. Contact me if I am in London. If you are in London, my price is very cheap. Outside London, outside UK, my sister, the price not be the same. Yes, we do all beauty. We do Gele. We do traditional bridal hair for the marriage, white wedding, everything. We sell hair perfume. We sell makeup products. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.